What happens in a packing area is once you've got a biofilm, it's much more difficult to clean both the product or the surfaces you're working with. And essentially, there was a paper that was really interesting about a decade ago on how bacteria communicate with one another. And one of the things that they showed is that if you had a primary colonizer of one bacterium, you could add another one to it, and essentially it makes it difficult to clean and sanitize fruit as well as equipment surfaces. So this was a micrograph. The blue is Pseudomonas, okay? Pseudomonas is a plant pathogen, right? It's pretty ubiquitous in the environment. So they allowed Pseudomonas to colonize the surface of lettuce and melons. And so this was the Trevor Suslow, Solomon, and Stephen Lindow. So the blue is Pseudomonas, right? So that's the primary colonizer of a plant pathogen. Then if you add Salmonella to the surface, where does the Salmonella wind up being found? Well, the Salmonella is in red, and essentially the Salmonella winds up landing not just anywhere on the surface, but it actually gets into the biofilm of the Pseudomonas that was already there, and so somehow the bacteria don't fight with each other. They actually almost cooperate, and one is helping to protect the other one. So essentially, it's why is it difficult to eradicate microorganisms in an environment? Because within 48 hours, they've gotten into a protected polysaccharide matrix, which makes it much harder for them to do.